Hi, I'm Darnell with Way Over Recipes, and today I'm going to be air frying some chicken wings in the Gourmia 8-quart digital air fryer. And we'll see how it does air frying chicken wings right now. So I have some very simple ingredients for this cook. I've got 4 thawed out chicken wings here from a local farmer. And for the seasonings, and nothing is really sponsored, it's just what I prefer to use, just my, I guess, flavor profile likes it. And I'm going to be using some ranch seasoning as well as some Old Bay. Having that mixture of the suppleness of the ranch along with the kick of the Old Bay, I found to be a very nice combination. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start preheating the air fry while I just season things over. Just going to sprinkle seasonings over both sides of it. But I'm going to set the cooker to air fry. I'm going to leave it at the 400-degree Fahrenheit setting. And I'm going to do maybe just 12 minutes. I'm going to do like 8 on one side, flip them, maybe 4 on the other side, and then check and see if they're done. If they're not, I'll leave them in longer. And so I'm going to leave it at 20 though, just in case I want more time or need more time. I'm going to take the turn reminder off. I don't want it to take a whole 10 minutes before it does its thing, and I don't want to do it at 6 minutes. I want to turn them at 8. So with that, hitting start, let the preheat begin and the seasoning begin. You can, of course, use the seasonings of your choice, which you prefer. I've definitely dumped way too much ranch over these wings, way more than I wanted to, but that'll be okay. So just going to get things flipped to the other side. I'll put them in with this side down anyway, and any excess, maybe a little will fall off on that side since I put a little too much ranch on that side of them. We'll go ahead and finish the seasoning here. Try and be a little more gentle on the ranch on this side than I was on the previous side. Alright, so that's all the seasoning I'm going to do. Just going to wait for the preheat to finish and then get them on in. Alright, time to get the food in. Just going to slide these each in on here. Alright, just got them in there with the regular old air fry rack that comes with the cooker there, or trivet, or whatever you want to call that bottom piece there. And gonna let them finish cooking. Well, let them go down to 12 minutes so that 8 minutes have passed, and then try and flip them over. So I'll bring you back in a moment. Alright, 8 minutes have passed. Getting in here. I'll just show you one real quick. Turning them on over. I'll show you two. Just get the rest turned over right quick. Things are looking real good so far. Of course I could check them now, but I'll let them get a little more done. Let them go for another 4 minutes, and then we'll see how things are. As far as temperature, they should be really well done then, and they should be a bit more crisp then. Even though they've got some crispness on them a little bit now, they'll be even more crisp then. So I'll bring you back. Alright, so things are gone for 12 minutes now. Open it on up. Going to take my thermopin, check the temperature. Yep, we're over 200. 180's on that one. Yeah, they're all good and hot. And just to be clear, I'm not cooking to temp. As I said, I could have checked them at 8 minutes. They may have been 165 then, but that's not what I wanted. I want them to be a bit crispy. You cook to your preference. So, see how that looks. See how that looks. See how this looks. Got some char and mylar going on there. Looks good. The bottom basket kind of gives them kind of that grill mark look a little bit. I'll just let you see the bottom here of the basket just so you can look at it, how things look inside. For you who want to know how to clean these things, it's just like cleaning dishes. Any other dishes you clean by hand. You basically, I'm going to stop that, but you basically let that soak for a while, put some water in there, consider it like a bowl in a plate. Consider it like a plate that's inside of a bowl. Just put some hot water in there with some dish liquid, let it soak for a while so that things come off some, and then just wash it like you would a bowl and a plate. No different. That's all you got to do. But I'm going to go ahead and I guess I'll take one of these. I'll take this one here. And let's go ahead and do a taste test. So thank God for this chicken wing. Let's taste. I just want you to see how juicy that is inside. When I was trying to bite, I took too big of a bite at first, and you know, don't want to bite through the bone. So I had to kind of like ease up because I tried to bite off more than I should chew. So that's why it took a second, but it's very moist inside. Crisp outside, moist inside. Perfectly air fried wings. Turned out great. So the Gourmia did a good job. 12 minutes as I expected to get a nice crisp outside texture while moisture is still inside. The air fry did its job and did it well. You basically, as I said, can cook to your own preference. And so dinner is served for me, but you do yours the way you like yours to be. And so in the video description, I have lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, all of that good stuff. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.